Hello, in this video we are going to see how to send text to JavaScript prompts and accept it. So we are opening the page, then clicking on JavaScript alerts link and then clicking on click for JS prompt button, and then we are sending keys this text and accepting as well, because we are not handling alerts by default, so we have to manually handle it, otherwise script will fail and report will be broken. So let's run the test. Test started running. Open the browser, open site, and here we can see text has been sent and alert is accepted. Right. So that's it. Thank you.